RedShark IBC 2025 coverage is sponsored by...
Hi, this is Dan Maloney. We're at IBC 2025, the Matrox booth. We're going to start off our tour with the Monarch EDGE, which is a REMI and contribution encoder and decoder. It's been a mainstay for a number of years now. We've got a lot of successful projects with this. We've just published a new one with KBS Productions. We encourage you to go read about it, how they use the REMI encoder to reduce their production costs by up to 35%. It's a quad channel encoder decoder with specialty designed, purpose-built for REMI production. I encourage you to go and take a look at the product on our website and the story. We're going to continue on to one of our newer products, our Vion IP Gateway product. And the Vion looks to bridge islands of production. What we have here is a workflow where we're showcasing NDI cameras as well as SDI workflows being converted to any number of IP format that might be required for production purposes. So whether you have an NDI camera, you want to bring it to a 2110 world, or you want to take some 2110 content and encode it in SRT for distribution over the web, the Vion takes IP inputs and converts them to other video IP outputs. SDI is an option and HDMI inputs as well, so you can encode in either NDI, SRT, or JPEG XS. But really, we're trying to bridge islands of video over IP. Increasingly, baseband is being replaced by network cables, whether it be fiber or RJ45, and that's where the Vion could really help with a variety of workflows. Another mainstay at the IBC for a number of years now has been the Matrox ConvertIP. This is a 2110 SDI to HDMI conversion set of products. There are actually 8 different models available at the in our suite of ConvertIP solutions. ConvertIP is both 2110 and IPMX compatible. This allows it to be routed by third-party NMOS controllers. And really, we're trying to make it easy for people to monitor 2110 signals on their HDMI monitors or contribute 2110 signals that might come from computer or SDI sources. Brand new features include our multiview or quad split multiview feature. We have gateway capabilities, taking a signal from 2110 uncompressed to JPEG XS compressed. Again, a real multi-purpose product to add into your 2110 toolkit, whether it be in live events or broadcast productions. And finally, we have our ConductIP, which is an NMOS routing solution, useful for both our own Matrox NMOS products, routable 2110 products, or any third party. Really what's different about the ConductIP is we tried to make it easy to use and simple. It's not not as fully featured as some of the big broadcast controllers, but ideally suited for Pro AV applications where you want to have a simple interface to detect and route your 2110 transmitters to your 2110 receivers. Again, highly encourage you to get information on ConductIP, as well as the other products I've spoken to about. But last but not least, I'd like to pass it on to Carolyn, who's going to talk to you about our world's first KVM that's NMOS and 2110 based.
Thanks, Dan. Hi, I'm Carolyn from Matrox, and here we're showing Avio 2, our latest IP KVM product. So the good news is that we had a technology demo last year, and this year Avio 2 is now shipping. So this is a KVM that's based on open standards. It supports 2110, IPMX, and NMOS. So great for broadcast, live events and production, and other control room setups. It basically lets you control systems from a distance over an IP network. It's a small box, but it delivers a lot of power. It can do uncompressed 4K 60 video over 10 gig network. So that gives you flawless image quality as well as zero latency. We also have 2 codec options for visually lossless performance over 1 gig networks. All this flexibility and configurations are managed through our web-based UI, which is very intuitive and easy to use. And once all the configuration is done, you have an intuitive on-screen display on the receiver side for connections. Of course, you can also use any NMOS controller to route the signals from our KVM to any other IPMX or 2110 compatible devices. So for more information, please visit our website, matrox.com. Thank you.